All right, so this place is a disaster, but today we are working on the coupe and we are fixing this shitty situation. I've got the welder out, as you can see, and I'm gonna set up the camera probably somewhere over here, and yeah, we're gonna weld this plate back in, as well as fill in some of the holes and cracks. We're gonna go in underneath once that top plate's been welded, and weld up that hole right there. I already got everything to bare metal, but yeah, let me get everything set up, get the welder set up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, the welder's on. Guess it's time to go. Well, there's my shitty welds. It ain't going nowhere, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and weld from the bottom now, but I'll probably do that off camera because it's a lot of pointless, and shooting from down under is gonna suck. Sparks gonna be flying, I'm sure, at me and at the camera. So I'll show you guys my shitty welds in a little bit. Be right back. All right, so my shitty welds are done. They did penetrate pretty well. I filled in that gap with a piece of metal that I had laying around. Just laid it on top, welded it in, filled in that hole. That's booger welded all up, but it'll hold, so that's all that I care about. And then if it fails again later on down the line, then you know, I'll just have someone weld it up for real. But this should be able to get me to drive the car for quite some time. So yeah, that's one vehicle done. Now tomorrow, this thing, just got the wheel welded up, and we should have the tire on tomorrow, so we can get this back on, which is a perfect birthday gift to me. Tomorrow is my birthday, so having both cars on the ground, drivable, is it's gonna be something pretty special to me. I feel like one thing that I am gonna do also, by the way, is spray some of this stuff, the undercoating stuff. Well, it's rocker guard coating, but you know, it'll work for under the car, just to kind of seal it up and make sure that I don't get any rust spots. So let me go ahead and get those painted up, let it dry. I'll install the coil, and then I'll see you guys when the car is on the ground. Holy shit, really quick, that was crazy. The fucking bottle pretty much exploded and started just spraying. So I just started fucking spraying. And it's still spraying out here. The cap got all fucked up. Oh no, not this way. There you go, just empty out, buddy. Got that done. And then yeah, like I said, let it dry, come back probably tomorrow, to be honest, because you want to make sure that it's dry. So after dinner tomorrow, I'll put this car back together, put the wagon back together, and then we good, baby. All right, so it is windy outside, but this car's on the ground, that car's got its wheel back on. We got this all painted up and installed and everything. I've rolled it back and forth, no weird noises or anything like that, but other than that, that's pretty much it, man. I mean, just wanted to record a real quick finisher up, I guess, whatever you want to call it, outro. And both cars are back on the ground. Can't wait to drive the wagon this weekend because it's been forever, feels like. And yeah, I was putting air in the tire over there. Totally forgot. Yeah. But see you guys later.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the streets, screwed up with my click. Let them see how out they going up the blicks. Pray to God right before I hit a lick. Side with 240s when I cuss I chop a kick. I'm an alpha, but these niggas bugging, nothing looks some tick. Claim you my dog, but you acting like a bitch. 3-piece wheels got me feeling like a Mitch. I don't drive auto like my Glock, I gotta switch. When we slide, we